Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my Boxycharm unboxing and little try on for the month of August. We have the box right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this baby and create a look. So if you're interested, let's go ahead and jump in. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys are not already subscribed. And if you are, hello and welcome, and thank you for sticking around. If you do wanna follow me on Instagram, I will have it on the screen. Like always, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, I will have a link down there as well so you guys can check it out for yourself. But basically it is a subscription box where you're able to get 5 items in a box sent to your house every single month for $21 a month. And these products in here add up to be well over $21. Like the value of each box is in the hundreds. So it's kind of worth it, in my opinion. You get your money's worth. This is not sponsored either, like I'm just letting you know. Truly love them and love all the products that do come in here, and each box has a little theme going on. So this month is called the Totally theme, and it's all pink. There are 2 skin products in here, which I'm going to go ahead and take out first, and we're gonna do the skin first and like face first today, and then we'll go into the eyes afterwards. So starting off with the first product in here, this is by Peach and Lily, and it's a glass skin refining serum. So it's going to have peach extracts and peptide complex in here, and it's just gonna help like nourish the skin, give a glassy, transparent, poreless skin look. So I'm excited about it. This is also $39. So it says to patented clean, dry skin, can be used AM and PM daily. I love how bright these products are in this box this time around. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my skin before I go in with like a primer. It is clear all over my skin. Definitely feels like a serum. It has that nice like tacky feel. Feels just like a serum. I can't really explain it, but that's the best I can do. I love that feeling. I love skincare. Like I said, these boxes contain makeup, but I guess they're starting to come out with a little bit of skincare in here as well. So that's awesome. So next product in here as well is for the skin. Now, I wouldn't necessarily use these products back to back if I was gonna use it in a full like makeup look or getting ready. I would use them solely on its own. But for the sake of the video, we're going with the next product, and this is by Beaute. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This does retail for $42. Hello, that is a lot. That's a very large price tag. I love having nice glowy skin, and it basically says it's a multitasking beauty elixir, instantly hydrates, absorbs into skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more, and we're gonna go ahead and apply this to the skin. You can just do it into this area where you want more of a glow happening. I don't mind if it gets everywhere. Just wanted it to be on one spot alone, you can just do it there. I'm also gonna bring it down to my neck and chest, and I just like to pat as well. You could so see my skin having that nice glow and radiance. I'm so about that. Into the next item in the box, we do have a powder, we have 2 eyeshadows, and then a lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation quickly, and then we will go into the rest of the product. So I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. primer. This is the poreless putty, and just apply it to where I have the most pores. So I'm gonna go in with both these foundations today and mix them together. This one's by Beaute. This is the Nude Illusion Foundation. I'm going with Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in the color Vanity. I'm gonna blend this foundation all over my skin, and then we are going to go in with the powder that came in this box, which I am very, very excited about. Wow, you can really see the like beauty oil and the other serum we laid down first really peeking through the foundation. Love that. It makes these foundation glide on so easy. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's not like an oily texture. It just feels like a lightweight serum as well. Just gonna quickly go in with some concealer and blend that out, and I will be right back once I'm done. All right, so next product in here is a powder, and this is by Becca. This retails for $39, so that's all I'm gonna say. It is a Hydra Mist and Refresh powder. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. I'm excited. We're just gonna get right into this. This is what the powder looks like. It's like in a little sifter. I'm gonna take a Beaute brush and just apply that right underneath my eyes to start. What? You guys, it feels wet under my eyes. This feels like I'm laying down water on my skin. Okay, whoa, that's crazy. And it's setting down really nicely. Like, my skin looks mattified over here.
Whoa!
I'm not even exaggerating, you guys. This is a product you just have to try. And it actually looks really pretty too. It does look like a really nice veil over my skin. I'm not mad at that. I'm gonna do a little down here. So this is good because even throughout the day, you can go ahead and apply a little bit more if you feel like you need a little bit of a refresh, because it has that water feel. That's really, really cool. And it also is going to help mattify the pores and also look fresh. So that's awesome. Go ahead and quickly do the rest of my face. Then we're gonna come back and do the eyes because we do have 2 eyeshadows that's in this box. All right, moving to the next 2 products that are in this box are these 2 eyeshadows. These are from Beaute or Beaute. These are retailing for $25. They are glitter shadow duos, and they are high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture. Designed for ultimate payoff, and these shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. Love that. Okay, so moving into the actual colors here, we have 2 shades. We have a nice pinky and a nice silvery color. This one's called French Vanilla, and this one is called Huckleberry. So right off the bat, to me, these kind of remind me of the ColourPop shadows. Definitely with their package, the way that they're kind of printed in there. I'm gonna run a little bit of my Too Faced bronzer into my crease, just to get a little bit of a transition happening. I think I'm just going to apply this color to my full eye, so we'll see what happens, but that's a lot of pigment. Wow, actually that's pretty pigmented with color. That's like a really pretty pink. Actually, that's a really pretty, like, vibrant color. I'm going to take my finger now and apply, ooh, a little bit right here, kind of swiping motions. Just gonna take a separate brush and blend out the edges right over here to diffuse it into the crease area and like a little upwards. Pretty actually on its own, because you still see hints of shimmer, but it's like diffused really nicely. It doesn't look harsh, and it still is pretty pigmented down here. Ooh. Diffusing like the little sparkles of like the remaining color up into here is super pretty. Love that. Okay, just applying a little bit more to pick up a little more color here. I think applying them with your finger is probably the best bet. The warmth of your fingers kind of just really place it on. Like, it's not really hard to blend or anything. Like, I think that worked out amazing. And then just using a separate brush to diffuse it, depending on what look you're doing, of course, but this is working out. This color now, which is the French Vanilla shade. It's more of like a silvery color, very reflective looking, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to pop this in the center of the eye, just a little bit. It does kind of change its color a little bit because of the pink, but that's okay. I'm just gonna dust the remaining of that pink above here just to give a little bit more color payoff, but nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter now and just apply that to the inner corner so we can have a little bit of brightness in here. I'm gonna take that pink again and apply it on a angled brush and I'll do a little bit on the lower lash line. They still kind of remind me of the ColourPop ones as well. And the last product in here is a lip liner, and this one is called the Steve Laurent lip liner. And do not forget my lashes also. I'm going to apply them and my mascara after my lips. I'm not sure I would apply this lip liner color with the whole eye look happening, but it is not too shabby. I'm going to apply a gloss or lip color on top of that, but I'm going to quickly go in with some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Now for the lips, I'm not going to leave it just like this. I'm going to add a little bit of this color right here from Nars. This is the color Stripped, and it is their Velvet Lip Glide. I'm just going to put this in the middle, like so. Just by doing that, it makes my lips look a little bit fuller, which I love. And honestly, I'm getting like a lot of Barbie vibes right now. I like it, actually. I'm just gonna take a little bit of NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie to pop in the center for a little added gloss. I'm gonna spritz my face quickly with Matte Fix Plus. So after doing that, those are all the products that were in this month's Boxycharm for the month of August. This is their Totally box, and I'm totally getting some Barbie vibes right now, which I love. Also adding some other products to create this full look, but I absolutely love it. This is what I came up with. If you do want to go ahead and check it out for yourself, the link will be down below in the description, as well as all the products that I used in today's video, all the box contents and all of that. And yeah, I believe that is all for this August Boxycharm. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Maybe found it a little bit helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.